Meantime, a state audit of the Michigan Unemployment Insurance Agency found it did not always protect federal tax information.
Fox 1's Lauren Coomer has more on the findings after reading through the 41-page long report.
The audit was conducted by the state's Office of the Auditor General between October 2019 and September 2021. It details 6 findings regarding security practices which protect personal information. The findings surround 2 systems: the Michigan Integrated Data Automated System, or MIDAS, which collects unemployment taxes and pays them out to claimants, as well as the Michigan Web Account Manager, or MyWAM, where people can file their unemployment claims. The audit sampled users out of 330 individuals who have the ability to view federal tax information. In that, findings say required background checks were not performed for 80% of the 45 sampled individuals, and Internal Revenue Service safeguard training was not completed for 60% of the same population. For 61 sampled users who had transferred or left state employment, UIA did not disable user accounts in a timely manner. 69% of sampled users still had MIDAS application access, and 67% of users had devices to facilitate remote logins. For 60 sampled users, UIA did not have complete documentation to support access granted for 25%, and 12% of 25 sampled individuals with MIDAS access did not complete security awareness training. The audit also listed that improved compliance with the Center for Internet Security benchmarks is needed. In addition, UIA did not properly document the authorization to initiate 39% of system changes sampled, and did not maintain documents of post-implementation testing for 24% of changes sampled. UIA Director Julia Dale released a statement saying, in part, quote, "UIA is taking decisive steps to bolster our security practices that protect personal information about claimants and businesses. We have instituted a criminal history check and fingerprinting policy for all employees who have access to confidential information. We're more effectively tracking required training for staff and also timely removing user privileges when a staff member leaves their job," end quote. UIA says they also have policies and practices in place to restore the public confidence, outlining 7 actions in progress, like requiring criminal history checks, granting access rights on an individual basis, and documentation of approval for changes. According to the Michigan Office of the Auditor General's website, 2 other performance audits are in progress on the Michigan UIA. Those are involving fraud and investigation activities, as well as claims processing. Reporting in Grand Rapids, Lauren Coomer, Fox 17 News.